Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Rouge. We're going to go over how you remove the door lock actuator, which is this unit right in here. It's all inside the door, but we're going to go over how you remove that and the outer door handle, but we'll start with the door lock actuator and the way you remove that. You're going to need to undo this bolt right here because that's for the window channel to go down, but you need to remove that so that you can move that out of the way so that when you undo these bolts you can get this door lock actuator out. The door lock actuator, when you're having issues with it, a lot of times your car alarm doesn't work correctly, you lock the door with the key and it doesn't lock because something has gone wrong inside of it, unless there was another fuse or something in there and you've gone ahead and done that diagnosis. It's going to be in your door lock actuator. So to remove the door lock actuator itself, first we've got these cables that come up here, which come up right here. So we don't have to take it completely off, but we will, just to show you. So that you've got these connectors here, and all you got to do is just pull them toward you and then come to a basically 90 degrees. And then you can pull that one off. Same thing with the bottom one, which is the actual door handle release. They have different ends on them, and this one's just a round ball, where the other one has a little pin. And so that way, when you go to put them back on, you won't be able to put them in the wrong direction. So with those removed, it gives us some more access. We're going to undo that bolt and remove it so that we can move this channel here. It's the window rail, so that your window goes up and down where it's supposed to go. Not able to get you the best visual, but inside here there is this yellow clip up here. We need to just, and this goes up to the handle, but you remove that, and then that way the cable there comes undone from the door handle itself. And then down here to the bottom, and this was the channel that we removed the bolt for, and we can just pull that off and set that aside. And we have this cable that's in a clip there that we'll want to remove out of there. And then there's electric connector down here that we want to unplug. So with the channel removed for the window and the electric unplugged, and then the one cable that comes down here from the handle outside, that's all been removed. Turn our attention to removing these three bolts and then the whole door lock actuator. So these are a T30. So with those three bolts removed, we can now remove the door lock actuator. This is the whole door lock actuator unit. And our last connection here is this. If you pull the ball off here, and then you'll be able to pop this bottom out and then just run this through the top clamp, and you can remove this cable from the door lock actuator unit itself. So this is the whole door lock actuator unit, and when you buy a new one, you'll get this actuator with the two cables on it to put back in your vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.